Enugu and Ibadan are two of Nigeria's most historic cities. Both shaped regional identity. Both influenced education, commerce, and governance. But today, a new question is being asked quietly across Nigeria. Which of these cities is modernizing faster? Not on paper, but in real life. This video is not about rivalry. It's about facts, indicators, and visible transformation. To understand modernization, we must understand where each city started. Ibadan grew as a massive pre-colonial settlement, expanding outward, absorbing villages, becoming one of Africa's largest cities by landmass. Enugu, on the other hand, was built as a planned colonial city, structured, compact, and administrative from inception. This difference matters because modernization doesn't start from the same baseline. When it comes to city structure, the contrast is clear. Ibadan is vast, very vast, but its growth has largely been horizontal, spreading outward over the decades with mixed planning consistency. Enugu is smaller, but more compact and structured. Road networks interconnect districts. New layouts are easy to integrate. Transport infrastructure is one of the clearest modernization indicators. Ibadan benefits from federal highways and major interstate routes. But internal city roads often struggle with congestion, flooding, and inconsistent maintenance. Enugu, despite fewer federal highways, has seen aggressive urban road renewal, flyovers, interchanges, and smoother internal connectivity. In daily movement, Enugu residents often experience shorter travel time and better traffic flow. Modernization today is driven more by private investments than government. In Enugu, private estates, malls, hospitals, schools, and tech spaces are expanding rapidly, often faster than population growth. In Ibadan, private development exists on a large scale, but much of it is unevenly distributed, leaving wide areas underdeveloped. Enugu's growth appears more concentrated and coordinated, while Ibadan's is broader but less uniform. Another overlooked indicator is everyday city management. In Enugu, waste control, drainage, and street maintenance have improved significantly in recent years. Ibadan faces challenges managing waste across its massive size, making cleanliness uneven from one district to another. This doesn't mean Ibadan is failing. It means scale complicates modernization. Here is where the real difference appears. Ibadan evolves gradually, slow, wide, and complex. Enugu transforms faster, fewer obstacles, quicker implementation, and visible change within a short time frame. In the last decade alone, Enugu's urban appearance has changed dramatically. For many first-time visitors, the shock is real. So which city is modernizing faster? If we measure by speed, coordination, and visible urban renewal, Enugu currently moves faster. If we measure by scale, population reach, and regional influence, Ibadan remains dominant. But modernization is not a competition of size. It's a measure of efficiency, livability, and momentum. Enugu and Ibadan represent two different urban journeys. One compact and fast-moving, the other vast and evolving. Both matter. Both contribute to Nigeria's future. But the lesson is clear. Modernization looks different, depending on where you start.